December 15, 1939, Gone with Glory. Gone with the Wind premiered at Loew's Grand Theater in Atlanta, Georgia. This event marked a monumental moment in film history, drawing approximately 300,000 enthusiastic spectators who lined the streets to witness the arrival of stars such as Gable and Vivien Leigh. The premiere was the highlight of a three-day celebration orchestrated by Atlanta's mayor, William B. Hartsfield, which included a parade of limousines featuring the cast, lavish receptions, thousands of Confederate flags displayed across the city, and a Grandeur costume ball. Governor Eurith D. Rivers even declared December 15th a state holiday to honor the occasion. Despite the grandeur, the event highlighted the racial segregation of the era. African-American cast members, including Hattie McDaniel, who played Mammy, were barred from attending due to Georgia's Jim Crow laws. In protest, Gable threatened to skip the premiere but was persuaded by McDaniel herself to participate. This incident underscored the contradictions of celebrating a film that romanticized the antebellum South while marginalizing those who brought vital depth to its story. The film's release during Hollywood's golden age propelled it to instant success. It became the highest-earning film of its time and retained that record for over 25 years. Adjusted for inflation, it still ranks as one of the highest-grossing films in history. Its critical acclaim was reflected in the 10 Academy Awards it garnered at the 1940 Oscars, including Best Picture, Best Director for Victor Fleming, and Best Actress for Vivien Leigh. Hattie McDaniel's victory as Best Supporting Actress was a landmark achievement, making her the first African-American to win an Academy Award. The premiere of Gone with the Wind was more than a film debut. It was a cultural phenomenon that showcased the glamour, contradictions, and tensions of its time. Its legacy endures as a testament to the power of storytelling and a reflection of America's complex historical narrative. For enthusiasts of historical ephemera, visit history-collectors.com to find collectibles that might complement your collection. You can own a piece of history.